Integrating Technology and Literacy, article by Frank Ward. A big struggle with technology as a teacher is figuring out how to use technology to where it is actually enhancing your lesson and your students are really learning instead of the technology aspect just being something cool or fun for them. This article provides 4 tools that can help provide immediate formative assessment data as well as quality feedback that can help students develop their own learning goals. First is Scribble, and it is a tool that allows students to annotate text online. They can work collaboratively on the same file, as well as students and teachers can share annotations with each other. They actually have a Chrome extension that allows you to load PDFs into their Scribble viewer, and it allows you to annotate a PDF on screen, which is not normally doable. So I think this would be really useful for students who don't like writing out their annotations with pen and paper. Next is VideoAnt, and this is another annotation tool, but this is to help students annotate videos, and they can save them to their own drive, which they call the Ant Farm on the website. And students can timestamp important parts of videos, and they can type notes in those timestamps, and then they can share their video annotations with other students or their teacher. Next is Kaizena, and it is a Google extension made for teachers that makes giving feedback easier. With this extension, students and teachers can provide feedback in typed comments, they can record comments verbally, and they can insert links to helpful hints such as grammar lessons or notes that cover the topic that the student might be struggling with. And it's a little more in-depth than the feedback options that Google Docs provides, which makes this a really good option for teachers. Last is Edpuzzle, and this is a tool that's helpful in collecting formative data to help drive instruction. Each of a teacher's classes would get their own classroom code, and the teacher can upload videos from all different platforms such as YouTube, TED-Ed, and Khan Academy. The teacher can then create a lesson by embedding questions right into the video that will provide immediate formative data and a quick way for the teacher to check for understanding. The questions embedded in the video can be multiple choice or open-ended, which is a really nice feature since open-ended questions are a more in-depth check for understanding and do a better job of showing gaps in knowledge than just multiple choice questions where the correct answer could be guessed. I really liked all of these technology tools, and I think that they could each enrich my classroom and be really helpful for students. I know plenty of students who have very hard to read handwriting, so then being able to annotate their text in an online platform would make it so much easier for both that student and myself as the teacher trying to read the annotations. And I could definitely see myself using each one of these pieces of technology effectively in my own ELA classroom.